digging through your notes app, half-written drafts in docs, 117 screenshots you'll maybe use someday. Is that how your content creation process usually starts? Yep, same. Guilty. And everyone tells you to get a system. But if you've never built one before, how do you even start? That's what we're figuring out today. Meet Amber Ficlo. She has 270,000 followers across social media. She publishes a full YouTube video every week, several shorts, a newsletter, and 3 to 5 posts both on Instagram and TikTok. That's over 20 pieces of content every week. And nope, she's not melting down, and she's not running on caffeine and chaos. She's running on Notion. She actually has her own system there, built from scratch in a way that works for her brain, not for anyone else. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Amber used to manage content in Airtable until it got too complex and too expensive. So she realized she needed a simpler way to manage her entire workflow, not just content. And most of all, it had to match the way her brain worked.
Airtable wasn't geared towards small business owners, content creators, or things like that anymore. I need something simple. Number 2, I also made the switch into Notion because I was able to eliminate a lot of other things. I had random SOPs in Google Drive, or I would have something else hosted in Dropbox, or random notes in my notes app.
So it was a system built on convenience, not intention. That's when she made the switch. She needed one place for everything, and Notion gave her that. A home base for her content, her business, and even her personal stuff. But she didn't just duplicate one viral Notion template. She built her own workflow from the ground up.
I have a button for YouTube videos. I have a button for email. I have a button for blog posts. I have a button for short form content. There's a template already ready for me. I've set up my Notion system in a way that allows me to have a high level overview of like everything that's going on. But then I have fun buttons and automations and views and tables that allow me to get into it on the daily, on the weekly, monthly, to really start to plan out all of the content that I have.
Every content type has its own structure. Fields for captions, Canva links, video files, hashtags, all in one place. She actually also filters by platform, post type, whatever she needs to help her mind stay focused. It's like a full editorial calendar, but tailored to how she really thinks. That's what makes it sustainable. Because producing over 20 pieces of content a week, it's freaking a lot. She starts with one YouTube video, then pulls out shorts, a carousel, newsletter segments, and even blog posts for SEO. And all tracked inside of Notion. Every idea, every format, every platform mapped out. And the thing is, Amber knows something that a lot of creators have learned the hard way.
It's not 2016 anymore. We can't rely on just Instagram to build our businesses. We need to have a holistic approach with marketing, because the thing is, these platforms could disappear tomorrow. That doesn't mean you need to be on every platform all of the time, every single day. But what we want to do is build a rounded strategy so that you can continuously market your small business, produce content as a content creator without having to worry about what's going to happen to your account, what's going to happen to your market. The thing that I always use is Vine. Vine disappeared overnight, and there were creators making millions of dollars on that platform that had to quickly transition to YouTube or podcast. And some of those Vine stars kind of died off quickly because they couldn't make that transition. And that's not what I want to happen to your business.
And she's just not reposting. She's repurposing SMART.
I like to start with some type of long form piece of content so I can take the transcript and plug it into an AI tool. It can pull out key information so I can create an Instagram carousel. I can also take that transcript and have it write a newsletter to promote that YouTube video. I can write a blog post for SEO, all these different things.
It's not about doing more. It's about doing better. And Notion helps her do just that. So what can you take from Amber's workflow? Keep your ideas in one place. Use templates to skip the setup. Zoom in when you need focus and zoom out when you need clarity. Start with one great idea and then multiply it. And most of all, build a system that works for you and not for someone else. We actually created a free Notion template inspired by workflows like Amber's. It is a flexible starting point that you can customize, adapt, and truly make it your own. If you want it, the link's in the description. All you gotta do is duplicate it, make it yours, and let us know in the comments if it's actually a template that works for you. I already know you have the content. So now let's give it a system. See you in the next one, Metro Cooler.